Hey, my dear YouTube friend, have you ever seen this stunning effect in PowerPoint and thought, I wish I could do that in Canva? Well, guess what? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to create it in Canva, even faster and in easier way. Yes, you heard it right, all inside the Canva. And here you can see that I have created the whole presentation in Canva itself. So yes, do watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how to make this step by step. So first of all, let me go to Canva, and here in this folder, let me create a new design where we will choose a presentation with a dimension of 16 gem 9. You can choose whatever dimension you want. So first of all, we need two PNG images over here, and you can directly copy that from Google search. For example, if I am making a presentation on orange Fanta can, so I'll search just like this orange Fanta can PNG, and here you can see that this is the PNG image where the background is transparent. So what I will do is I'll just right click on this image and select copy image, and then I'll jump to the Canva presentation, and here I will paste that image. So I'll just press Ctrl V, and here you can see that the Fanta PNG image is now available in our Canva page. In similar way, we can add orange as well. So let me go to this orange fruit can PNG image. I'll just copy image over here and paste it in the Canva page like this. And in the similar way, I'll copy the orange slice as well. So I'll copy this image and paste it over here. So now our images are ready. And after this, we will add a text box. So I'll go to text and add a text box where I will write orange, and I'll increase the size like this. And let us change the font style to this one, Gagalin. And if it is getting smaller, then you can increase the font size over here. And after this, let us add a subtitle as well. So I'll add a text box and write a fresh flavor. And since this is a subtitle, let us change the font style of this one. I'll place this just above this one, and let us arrange this. Let me make it bigger, and I'll just tell this one, duplicate this by pressing Ctrl D, rotate a bit, bring it over here, and I'll just place this oranges randomly. And now let us change the background to a suitable color. So our theme is on orange color. So let us take a gradient which is of combination of orange and yellow. And if we go to this gradient, and if we click on more options, there we have multiple gradient options, and we will select this one where the light orange is in the center and the dark orange shade is at the corner or at the edges. But for now, this slides look good to me. So I'll just create a duplicate of this first page. So I'll just right click on this and duplicate this slide. And in the first slide, I'll just rotate this a bit, make it smaller and place it over here in the center. I'll make the objects smaller like this and place it over here so that it gets hidden behind the Fanta can. Let me do this for all. And while doing this, I'm just rotating this images a bit because once it will reveal from behind the can, it will show a animation kind of rotation kind of movement. And now we will bring the can to the top layer like this. And to the text box, we will bring it slightly in the center of the slide area and reduce the size of this text box as well. Now we have completed two slides like this, and in between when we go here in this one, here we have an option of add transition. So I'll just click on plus icon over there, and this is very important that here we choose this match and move transition with a speed of 1 second or more. It will look quite amazing if we increase the duration to 1 or more than 1 second. So now I guess we are ready with this presentation. So if we go and present this, it will look like this in the first slide. And if I go and press the right arrow key, it will look like this, and boom. This is the presentation we have just made in few steps. Congratulations team, we have made it. So don't you think it is very easy to make this in Canva? So I hope you like this video and you have learned a lot from this Canva trick. If you want to see more tips and tricks related to Canva, do visit our channel and do not forget to subscribe it. Now it's time to say goodbye. See you in the next video.